electricity, environmental-friendly solar floodlight is suitable for gardens, country roads, and public places. This floodlight is made of white tempered glass. Outer is die-casting aluminum frame, and designed for heat dissipation with 180-degree rotated bracket. High-efficiency mono-solar panel, aluminum outer frame with rotated bracket. Also waterproof connector in IP66 standard. Removable case and fixed by 304 screws. Inbuilt waterproof rubber ring in IP66 grade. Radar sensor. Insert charge controller to protect the LiFePO4 battery from overcharging and over-discharging for long-time use. An LED lamp light. Let's see its function and usage. 7 working modes. Automatically turn on when dark. Radar induction function. 100% lighting when people pass by. 25% lighting when people leave. Besides, it has a nice package. Product details: light, solar panel, remote control, butterfly thumb screws, explosion screws, extension cable, bracket. It is also easy for installation. First, drill holes on the wall by tool. Put the explosion screws into the holes by hammer. Second, install the light and tighten screws. Third, install the solar panel and tighten screws. Finally, connect the cable of solar panel and the light together. Energy-saving, easy installation with attractive design for our solar floodlight.